Actron Air is Australia's leading manufacturer of ducted air conditioning systems, supplying both the domestic and commercial sectors. The company has gained a strong reputation for reliability, service and professionalism, with all design and production stages manufactured in their world-class assembly plant. Actron Air delivers an excellent range of products and ongoing support services that are second to none. Our computer design team, using the latest technology, create air conditioning systems for individual domestic requirement through to complex commercial and office needs. Actron Air ducted systems are engineered for maximum performance and ultra-quiet operation, with product testing verified by an independent NATO-certified authority. The company's success is due to the management's hands-on understanding of the industry, the Australian marketplace, and the pioneering of technologically advanced products. Established in 1984 by Actron Air founder Gary Mundy, who when installing imported systems saw the need for air conditioning that was specifically designed for the unique Australian conditions. This working knowledge, now vested with sons Robert and Kevin, combined with a focus on developing their own electronic micro-technology, has seen through ongoing research many design developments and product innovations, such as a fully integrated, simple-to-use control unit that makes you master of up to 8 zones in your home, and inbuilt mimic logic means that you can even control the temperature from 2 locations, ideal for 2-story homes. This ongoing commitment to product innovation and development has resulted in one of the quietest, most energy-efficient air conditioning systems in the world. Digital technology has changed the way we design houses, and now the way we cool and heat them. Australia's Actron Air has designed a ducted air conditioning system so advanced it uses microprocessors to sense minute temperature changes, adding just the right amount of conditioned air, no more, no less, saving energy by using absolute minimum power. Introducing ESP, Energy Smart Performance, a unique computerized systems logic that monitors and controls all facets of your air conditioning system. With the advent of the variable capacity digital compressors, Actron Air saw the opportunity for greater control over humidity and fluctuating temperature. The opportunity lay in the compressor's consistent capacity operating range of 10 to 100%. And, unlike inverters, the ability to deliver on-demand incremental temperature change.
3 main areas of the Actron ESP system would be the Actron Air proprietary logic, the digital scroll compressor, and also the Actron digital controls.
The smart side of it is the logic. The logic is the intuitive thinking that it does to predict what the temperature is going to do.
So from the moment you turn it on, it's analysing the system all the time and making small adjustments to the outdoor unit to give you just the right amount of capacity for that required indoor condition. The main advantage of the ESP proprietary logic is that it was designed in Australia, obviously for Australian conditions. This gives us a great advantage in being able to tune the system precisely for the Australian sized homes, which are quite unique in their own.
An important feature of the ESP system is that when it's turned on, it will go to 100% capacity straight away. If you compare that with an inverter system, it's got a stepping process that it has to go through, which takes several minutes to go through. So with an ESP system, you'll get a faster responding air conditioning.
This precise climate control delivers a more consistent temperature, reducing the problems of large temperature swings that come with other air conditioning systems. And ESP is intuitive. After working out the variables involved to reach a target temperature, it calibrates and draws down from the variable capacity compressor only the absolute minimum power needed to execute the command.
The ESP system is up to 30% more energy efficient over a conventional air conditioning system.
The great advantage the ESP has was when it's running and you're getting very close to set point, then it's only using the minimal amount of power and energy to operate.
Actron Air's ESP is the most comfortable air conditioning money can buy.
ESP, Energy Smart Performance, delivering the most comfortable air conditioning money can buy. Actron Air brings you the option of ESP Plus for a more economical performance in multi-zoned homes. ESP Plus is an Actron Air technological breakthrough which delivers on-demand a variable airflow supply to match zoning requirements. This new technology allows the ESP Plus fan to do the inverse of what standard fans do. That is, in a ducted system, reduce speed as the static air pressure increases as zones are turned off. A standard fan, struggling against the increase in pressure, actually increases its RPM when zones are turned off, wasting energy and increasing noise levels. The fan is a large contributor to the energy used in an air conditioning system. Until now, all air conditioning fan systems pumped a large volume of airflow regardless of how many zones were being used. If the flow of conditioned air was not distributed equally, as some zones were turned off, the remaining rooms received the excess air, resulting in temperature fluctuations, increased air velocity, noise levels and energy waste. Now, ESP Plus, controlling a variable speed smart fan, creates with proprietary Actron Air micro technology a system that gives you total control of airflow to each zone of your home. With ESP Plus, you can switch off as many zones as you wish, because ESP Plus intuitively senses the reduced volume of airflow required and, by controlling its variable speed fan, uses minimum energy to deliver just the right amount of conditioned air with virtually no increase in noise or air velocity levels. Fan power consumption is dramatically reduced, and tests have shown that energy savings of up to 85% can be achieved when operating on minimal zones. Even when running at full capacity, the ESP Plus indoor fan is more energy efficient than a standard fan motor. But substantial savings occur when, due to various activities throughout the day, selected zones are turned off. And that makes Actron Air ESP Plus not only the most comfortable, but also the most economical to run. Actron Air with ESP Plus, the most comfortable air conditioning money can buy, and now even more energy efficient. Actron Air's ESP Plus, winner of the 2008 Cool World Environmental Innovative Product of the Year Award. And now from Actron Air, ESP Ultima, the ultimate in individual comfort control. Building on the success of ESP Plus, which with greater energy efficiency delivers advanced airflow control, Actron Air's ESP Ultima delivers at the touch of a button superior individual room temperature control. ESP Ultima's intuitive electronics adjust the amount of conditioned airflow so that at the same time you can set different temperatures to meet the individual needs of your family. A master controller sets fan speeds, timers, and the initial desired temperature for the home. Then, individual zone controllers allow preferred temperatures within a 4-degree range to be selected for different rooms. In larger rooms or open-plan areas where temperatures may fluctuate, additional sensors can even be added to create a more accurate average temperature. ESP Ultima's advanced electronics listen to the individual zone temperature requests and instruct the system on precisely how much conditioned air needs to be generated. The energy-efficient smart fan works in harmony with the digital compressor to match zone requirements, and damper blades open and close, allowing through a precise amount of conditioned air, maintaining consistent individual room temperatures. A bit warmer if you want to wear something light. A bit cooler if your room gets too much sun. A bit cozy if you want to snuggle up. And the kids' room just right. Now the whole family can relax at the same time in their own individual comfort zones with ESP Ultima. Actron Air ESP Ultima, the ultimate in individual comfort control. Actron Air's ESP range of ESP, ESP Plus, and now ESP Ultima allows you to choose the air conditioning system that's just right for you and your family. Actron Air, the most comfortable air conditioning money can buy.